Hello and welcome to DataScienceBrews. This video introduces the concept of strings in the Python programming language. I will also talk about the Zen of Python. Now, I have opened a Jupyter notebook in my browser. I want to say hello to my computer using a Python program. Now type the greeting hello in the notebook. I get an error. It's called a name error, and Python tells me that the name hello is not defined. Python does not accept plain English commands, but we need to provide precise instructions. When I use double quotes or single quotes, Python prints the word hello in the notebook correctly. Let's try that in our notebook. Type the word hello with single quotes or double quotes. And voila, we get the output as hello. When I add codes to a group of letters or a set of numbers or anything, Python interprets it as a string. Now let's talk about the Zen of Python. Type import this in the notebook. The Zen of Python by Tim Peters are 20 guidelines for the design of the Python language. Your Python code doesn't necessarily have to follow these guidelines, but they are good to keep in mind. The Zen of Python is a hidden joke that appears if you run the command import this. I will read a couple of guidelines and explain their meaning. The first guideline, beautiful is better than ugly. Now this is directed towards programmers who often write code quickly without concern for readability. While code doesn't have to be readable, the code of the Python language itself must be thought out, consistent, and a joy to use. Well, of course, not every script needs to be beautiful, and beauty is subjective. But much of Python's popularity is a result of being so easy to work with. The next guideline, explicit is better than implicit. It's better for code to be explicit and verbose. You should avoid hiding the code's functionality behind difficult language features that require familiarity to fully understand. All these guidelines look super interesting. I referred the blog inventwithpython.com to get this information. If you want to learn Python, I encourage you to read the book Begin to Code with Python by Rob Miles. If you would like to have more information about the Zen of Python, please read the blog inventwithpython.com. I have provided the link to the book and the blog in the description to the video below. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you liked this video. Through this channel, I want to share my data science journey and in the process create education resources that will help anyone who is interested to become a programmer in the field of data analytics or data science.